Hello, welcome to my channel. This is Mactan Lady Home TV, home and gardening and many more. Appreciate you guys coming to my channel and supporting this channel. And please do like and subscribe and enjoy the video that I upload. And leave a message. See you guys later. Have a blessed day. God bless you guys. Bye.
There's some more right here. This little tiny cherry tomato is so cute. See, we got so many bunga. Look, because we got so many Ang daming balato. This one right here. Oh, there's some more by the way, guys. We have some more. Harvest from right here. See this one right here. Oh, there's some more by the way, guys. We have some more right here. See. There's some more. Make Silka. We have to harvest. We have to harvest this. Silka. We have to harvest. Yeah. We have to harvest this to this time. So there. How much? I think we harvest. How much? Harvest. Have to harvest it now. Or else it's gonna get on. Have to harvest it now. Oh boy. Or else it's gonna get on. Daming hina-harvest. Oh boy. Maraming. Kailangan nang i-harvest. Palatong ni atin ito maraming. Kailangan nang i-harvest. Sa dami na, oh. Ano naman, nagdadry na siya. Lalaki ko sa dami nila. Ano naman, nagdadry na siya. Lalaki ko sa dami nila. Taglabig na raw. Mumowing ang aking baseball. Taglabig na raw. Mumowing ang aking baseball. Ang dami kong harvest. Ayan. Ang bata isa. Ang dami kong harvest. Punta natin yung kabila. Tingnan nyo guys. Punta natin yung kabila. Ayan. Mga roses. Yung tingnan nyo guys. Ayan. Yung okra, habis na rin natin. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. Ayan. Marami na. Marami na akong kinuha kanina din. Hindi ko lang binidyo. Ayan. Marami na. Marami na akong kinuha kanina din. Ayun, marami pa dito. Matila. Ayun, diba? Marapag. Ayan. Matila. Aray. Ayun. Marapag. Ayan. Marami, oh. Aray. Karami. Liso. Mio, karami. Ayan pa, oh. Liso. More. Ayan, ang dami ko na harvest guys. Sobra. Harvest, oh. Ayan, tapos na. Ay, yaman. Hello, yan na po ang luto natin sa okra na
galing sa garden. At saka sitaw. Yan. O, diba? Ang sarap niyan, guys. Super! Thank you po sa mga nanood. At sana po mag-enjoy kayo sa pag-garden nyo. Enjoy your gardening. And always when it's time to harvest, try to cook it and upload it. You know why? Because that's your hard work. Appreciate every one of you guys that watches when I'm cooking and all that. And this is Mactan Ladies gardening when I harvest and I cook it and all that stuff. So I appreciate everyone that follows. See you guys later. Bye-bye. Diba? Ang sarap niyan. Oh. Sarap ng baboy. Baboy. Baboy.